Hi everyone. Today I am going to explain about refractive index of glass. Here, this is the traveling microscope in which we have two type of measuring scales. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Okay. Here we need a y-axis for measuring the values. We are referring this axis. Okay. Here, before operating this instrument, we have to find the least count. Okay. Here, this is the main scale. This is the main scale in which we have the readings. Those are known as main scale readings, called as MSD. These are the main scale readings. Okay. And this is the CVD, coinciding vernier divisions. Okay. Here, total 50 divisions are there in vernier scale. 6.1, 7.2, like that is there. Okay. Each first one is taken as 10 divisions, 20, 30, 40, 50, like that. Total 50 divisions are there. Okay, that we have to note down here. And n equal to 50, value of 1 MSD, and also we have to calculate the 1 main scale division value. That is, in 1 centimeter there are totally 20 divisions are there. 1 by 20. In main scale, within 1 centimeter there are total 20 divisions are there. Okay, we have to calculate the 1 division value, means 1 by 20. We have to do the 1 by 20, that gives the 1 division value. Here I am doing that 1 by 20, that becomes 0.05 centimeter. Okay, this is a 1 MSD value. And next, number of divisions on vernier, that is total 50. Okay, taking the ratio, means we have to find the least count of the microscope. LC equal to S by N. 0.05 divided by 50, that becomes 0.001 centimeter. Okay. This is the least count of traveling microscope. Here, now I will show how to take the readings in this traveling microscope. Okay. First I will here total reading is there. TR equal to MSR plus CVD into LC. Now I am showing how to find the R1. Okay. Here we have to take the piece of paper, and in that you have to make a spot. Okay, with a pen, and you have to focus that spot in this lens. Okay. After focusing, here you have to take the MSR and CVD for that corresponding values. Here now I am calculating the MSR. This is the MSR. Here the lens is located at after 3 main number 3 is there. After that around 4 divisions are there approximately. This is the MSR. Okay. Here around after 4 divisions are there. We have to find the MSR value. Okay. We have to do 4 into 0.05. That becomes 0.02. Okay. To this we have to add the whole number, that is 3 is there. Okay. 3. The whole number is 3 is there. Okay. We have to add. That becomes 3.2. This is the MSR. You have to write down here 3.2 plus CVD, coinciding vernier division. Here within all these 50 divisions, one division is coincided to the main scale. You have to refer that division number. Okay. Here approximate, that is 12th division, it is looking like a coinciding. Okay, I am taking that number here, 12 into 0.001. Now simplifying, 3.2 as it is plus 12 into 0.001, that becomes 0.012, then plus 3.2, 0.012, adding, that becomes 3.212. This is a total reading for R1. Okay, like that we have to find the total readings in this traveling microscope. Now I will show how to take the reading of R2. Okay, here you have to place the glass slab on this paper. Okay, and here knob is there for moving this. You have to take little bit upside. Okay, you have to focus that spot. Okay, then in the same way how you take an R1, like that you have to find the R2 value. Here you have to take the MSR reading, that is after 5 whole number is there. Here this is here you have to calculate. This is around 18th division is there. You have to calculate the 18th division value and you have to add the 5 to that whole number. That gives the MSR. And you have to take the coinciding vernier division that look like this shape. Okay, you have to choose that number. Okay, CVD and MSR must be coincided with respect to each other. Okay, and you have to take that number here. That number is here within these 50 lines. You have to choose the MSR line with respect to that one. You have to take that number. Okay, here it is showing around 21 is looking similar to me. I am taking 21. And LC, you have to do the same way. Total reading, that is TR equal to MSR plus CVD into LC. By using this formula, you have to tabulate the R2 respective values. Okay, that gives the R2 total reading. Then R3. Now I will show how to take the R3. I am keeping the chalk powder here. Okay, on this spot. Okay, after that I am focusing that spot after the glass. I am taking this again little bit upside. You have to focus it by using a resolution knob. Okay, then in the same way we have to measure MSR, CVD, LC. After that you have to do the refractive index formula. This is the final formula. Ng means, N means refractive index, G means glass, Ng means refractive index of glass. The formula is R3 minus R1 divided by R3 minus R2. Here you have to enter your respective values. Okay, R3 value minus R1 value divided by R3 same value minus R2 value. After substituting, you have to do the simplification. The final value will come nearly equal to 1.5, equal or nearly equal to 1.5. Okay, this is the standard value of refractive index of glass. This is the refractive index of glass. This is the aim, determination of the refractive index of a glass slab using traveling microscope, and the apparatus traveling microscope, glass slab, and principle. This is the principle behind the experiment, that is the refractive index of a glass with respect to air is the ratio of real depth to the apparent depth. Okay, formula is there, real depth by apparent depth. This is the principle behind the experiment, and this is the procedure. Okay, and this is the formula Ng. Ng means refractive index of glass. N is the symbol of refractive index. That formula is R3 minus R1 divided by R3 minus R2. This is the formula. Okay, again the same formula, and here we are using the formula, one more formula, that is total reading. This is the total reading, TR equal to MSR plus CVD into LC. LC means least count. Okay. This is a least count, and this is the respective diagram of a traveling microscope in which we are going to find the refractive index of glass. Okay, this is R1, this is a spot. Okay, this is R1, R2 and R3. Okay, like that. And this is the observation for finding the least count. Okay, this is the value of 1 MSD. This is the total number of vernier divisions, 50. 0.05 divided by 50, that gives 0.001. And this is the tabular column. Here our students taken 3 readings. First reading 2.35 R1, 3.45 R2 and R3 is 4.45. After substituting these values in the NG formula, we get 2.1. In the same way, second trial and third trials, okay, that we are observing. After that, we have to do the mean of NG, that gives 1.67. We have to add these 3 readings of NG, and we have to divide that value by 3. And this is a calculation for total reading. Okay, like that. And this is a result. The refractive index of glass slab is 1.6733. This is the reading which our students got during the experiment. And the standard value of RF glass is, that is 1.5, means NG equal to 1.5. Okay, we have to get the students have to get the values near to 1.5. Okay, thank you.